everyone, Thelma here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I hope everyone's doing fine. And for those of you that are new, if you like today's video and like hauls, DIYs, some makeup vlogs where I show you makeup I've bought, and I do get ready with me videos, makeup, skincare, and I do regular vlogs. So if that's your jam, then I think this channel is right for you. So go ahead and click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and select all. That way you won't miss any of my future uploads. And just by watching my videos, hitting that like button, which do if you like today's video, it really helps my channel grow, and subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know you entered into the contest. But just from doing those things I just mentioned, you'll be entered into the 2 giveaway contests that I have. I'll have more of it in the description for you, and if you have any questions, just leave me a comment. And you can also find 2 small short videos, one for each giveaway, that shows everything that's in the giveaway and tells you how to enter and the rules. But anyway, without further ado, since I've done jabbed my jaws, I have for you a Cato's clothing haul with a little bit of jewelry. So we're going to start out by me showing you this hoodie. And the jogging pants too. They have a sequence here on the shoulders and the pockets of the hoodie. Of the pants. And it's elastic waist with a tie string on the waist. And the bottom has this here, just like here at the wrist. So you can pull it up or down. I'm 4'10", and they fit me, but they overlap just a little, but it doesn't drag because of the way that is at the ankles. And the sleeves fit me just like that, but you can either pull them up, or me, I do a lot of this when I'm at the house, but when I go out, I just pull them up. But this is one of the outfits you can get there. You have to buy the top and the pants separate from each other, and they were $8 a piece. Now these earrings, the reindeer with the little diamond-like as jewel up here for the antlers, I got those for I think $7. There's the little cardboard, whatever, that these came in. But might have the price right there or on the back. I can't see, I'm sorry, but I'll be having my surgery for my cataracts on the 4th and the 18th. Okay, now I bought this top for $6. It was marked down to 50% off, just like the top here and the pants. And this is that real stretchy material. So I got this like in a medium because how it stretches. You can get, if you want it to be looser, you could get a size up and you wouldn't go wrong with this. But you can see let me show you up close, the material. And it just stretches, and here's the neck. I might be wrong on the size, but you've seen how it is up to me. I can't really tell, but I thought I got like a medium or a large. I've lost a lot of weight since I've been sick and hurt, so really don't know what size I wear. And like everything else, you need to try on and take your measurements, because what might fit in a medium on this shirt over here, it might be a large. But anyway, I just thought I'd throw that out there for you. Then I got this button-up shirt dress. It's got the collar. It buttons up all the way down. I love the colors, and it has a button on the sleeves. Now you have to wear jeans or leggings under this because the split goes all the way up to your thigh, up here. Me, it goes all the way up to almost my hips because I'm so short. But I didn't know it when I bought it. I thought it was sew. You can always, too, if you're a good sewer or know someone, just sew it, you know, down to here and still have that opening. But it's like that on both sides. See right there? It's not that long. But see how, and it curves the pattern. It curves. It doesn't go straight down and then straight across the bottom. It curves. And I love the neck of it. And it fits real loose, which is another thing. I'm going through this. I need to be real comfortable and have some room. That way I don't feel it on me or riding, like getting them shoulder wedges and stuff. And I just started wearing, when I started losing all that weight, and I'd be hurting anyway. So I started wearing my clothes baggy. And there's so many different types of clothing you can buy that is made to fit baggy. Like this shirt. I seen this, I was getting ready to leave, and I'm like, what is that over there? I asked my husband, because I seen a big long, because my cataracts is blurry. He said, it's a shirt. And I said, let me look at it first. And I was lucky they had this was the only large they had. But I can't wear medium, not for, see how it goes right here, and see how the sleeves are real loose anyway. And I want that loose look with this shirt. And the bottoms, I've got them rolled up when I tried them on, because that's how I'll be wearing it. But the sleeves, they go folded over, and there's a button. I unbuttoned it. Let me get it back on for you if I can see to do it. Well, bear with me. I'm going to try one more time. Sorry. But I hope y'all are doing well and had a great Thanksgiving and are getting ready for the new holiday, Christmas. Is right in the air and just around the corner. Okay, I have got it. Sorry, it took forever, didn't it? But anyway, this is what it looks like, buttoned. And you can always flip it up and give it that little flip right there. Okay, and I love the collar on this, if you can see it real good, and it's sewn in the back, and these little, I don't know what they're called, but see how it's sewn in right there, little ridges going. And it does have one pocket on the front. I love a shirt with a nice pocket. And I like that these are just small little little buttons. And they have a lot of scars too up there, but they didn't have one I thought would match this color. And unless they had these hanging somewhere else, there was only one rack of these hanging, and they were all this color. There was no other colors. Okay, that's it on that. Now I have some bras to show you. These are two bras. Now these are a 36 double D. So that's, if you like the style, you get two of them. Now, I hope you're sitting down because this shook me when I go, how much are these? And these were $5 for both of them. That's $2.50 a piece. And here's the name again. And this is a real light, is that light purple or like a light, it's a light color. But with my eyes, I thought this shade here was a baby pink, and my husband said no, it's kind of like a tannish color. So, but anyway, I don't like the bras with the metal wire under it because it cuts into me right here, and I have to end up cutting a snip in it and pulling it out. But these have it in it, but it's not the metal. It's just a big, thick material. Could be cotton, I don't know, but you can see it. And look, it's not a metal. And you get both these, this and this gorgeous color here. It's like a rose color for $5 for both of them. I mean, $5, wow. So I got one more set, I guess you'd call it. I didn't think of getting some underwear, but I already got some of those from Walmart. And this is the same right here. And this is the same as the other one. It's padded. Now, I don't know if I mentioned it, but these are slightly padded. They're not and they're removable. They're just to give you some extra shape, not to make it look like you got bigger boobs, but you know, it's just to make the girls look a lot more shaped, you know. And then this one has some type of pattern going through it. I can't make it out, but it looks pretty to what I can see. I'll look at it again after the 4th. I'm so happy. I mean, at first it was 4 months after I talked to the surgeon, then 2 months, and now it's just a few days. Maybe by the time this is posted, because this is the 28th of November that I'm filming this, but I have to wait till my son gets back. He's a truck driver, because I can't see to upload my videos and stuff, and he does it for me. So I'll probably, by the time this gets aired, already have my surgery. But and then the black one, I just thought I'd show you it too. Alright, now the last items that I have are some earrings. So I'm going to show them to you. Let me get them here. Okay, now these are a pair of them, the deer. See how big they are. And this is the little thing it came on, so you can see the price. Now this is not earrings, but it's those little posts that go on the back, you know, you put them on the back to hold your earring in. And you got all of these. I forget how many my husband said there was, for like $5, maybe $4, I'm not for sure. But they were real cheap. And then these are little studs. My husband seen these. Said they were real cute. That's a snowflake. Can't make out the other one. A tree. And maybe a present. I'm not for sure. But I'll hold them up there so you could see. All 3 of these, I believe, were $5. And then the Nutcracker. Here we go. Look at these. They are gorgeous. I mean, that's how big they are. See, if I had the time, I'd put them on and show you and all that. But these were like $6 or $7. And then the last item and last thing of jewelry, let me turn it around, is these snowflakes. They're little, like tin, They bend, so be careful with them. But the snowflakes. But I have to say, my favorite is the deer, and then the nutcracker. Alright, I want to thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my channel and watching my video. And if you're still here, thank you for hanging in there with me. I hope y'all have a nice day and a safe holiday season this year. And if you like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Share the video with people you know. That really helps get my video out there. And I'm really trying to get the number of subscribers and hours watched so I can be monetized, I think that's the word, so I can start getting paid for the videos, because I'm disabled and can't work, and don't qualify for Social Security. And I love, when I opened this channel up years ago, I love doing crafts and doing these hauls and all that, and I'm like, if I could just get it to where I get paid a small sum, however they do it, it would be a great job. I wouldn't have to worry about money. Not as bad anyway. But it ain't about that. I love doing these, and I love putting on the makeup and doing the DIYs and vlogging with y'all, talking to you. There's a couple of you ladies that before I got to where I can't read my comments and that, I used to talk back and forth. And as soon as I can see again, I'm going to reach out to you. You know who you are. And one of you is Tammy. But I keep the comments simple since my son's the one who is reading them. And I tell him what to type. And I keep it simple, because it's between me and you. And, but anyway, I thought I would stop by and give y'all this Cato haul. So if you have any questions or comments, just feel free to jump in down below and leave me a comment. Hugs and kisses from Kentucky. Love you. Bye.